Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open YouTube app. Click on profile icon. Now click on settings icon. Now click on General. Now click on Appearance. Now click on Dark Theme. Done. By this process, you can easily enable dark mode on YouTube. Thanks for watching.